Welcome to Yoga Bliss with Shelly Lovely, and I'm Shelly. Join me in a standing position. Really intentionally settle and root your feet into the earth. Each toes, there's 2 touch points in the front pad and rear pad. Draw length in your body. Inhale, float your arms high to the sky. Let the hands kiss, meeting hands in front of the heart. Inhale, reach the arms up, hands kissing hands. That's called the Namaste Mudra. Now we're going to raise up on the front toe pads, right? In that front cushion in the pads of the feet. Hands reach above. Namaste Mudra comes and slices down the center body. Arms open like wings, expand, floating up, coming on those front toe pads. Exhale. Now arms just can float down. Kind of a little opening of the wings. Exhale, because we all have that bird nature in us. We can become more free with this expansion in the side body. Now wiggle out your hips, lovely. And now inhale, raising up. Exhale, sitting back like you're coming in a chair. This is called Uttanasana in Sanskrit, the chair pose. Hands can be distracted by a mudra, which is a hand seal, or if you have a prop, I'm going to use this block between my thighs because it reminds us to engage through our thighs. If you don't have a block, that's fine. Just hug the inner thighs together. Exhale. Now twist to the right side body. Keep the shoulders squared, opened up to the mat. Find integrity in your spine. Exhale, meet in neutral, which is back at center. And then exhale, twist to the left side. Hugging through, activating that tummy, keeping those shoulders open, drawing that left shoulder up, coming back to center. Inhales, come into a standing position, smile, be goofy. You can get rid of those props if that feels good for you. And now that right foot is going to face short edge of the mat, left foot comes towards that at a 45-degree angle to the corner of the mat. Hands on the hips are going to face the short edge of the mat. Connect all the touch points, find length, gentle micro bend, hind leg, And now hands can be at the hips, they can be at a cactus or extended long for a warrior 1. Inhale your strength, a Virabhadrasana 1 in Sanskrit. Now beautiful transition to warrior 2. So that hind foot opens up to the long edge of the mat, hips open up, arms reach long and strong. Look over that right arm, activate by saying, I am strong. I am a warrior, as that hind arm comes down to the back leg. Reverse peaceful high five hands sweeps over for a peaceful warrior. Breathing it in. Exhaling it out, lovelies. Here. And now stepping up that right foot. And now we're coming into another warrior pose. This is super fun. You can use blocks or a chair or a wall here. And now bringing your strength into that front foot. And we're going to just kind of lift off, like you're going to take off and reach down. You can reach to the earth if this feels good for you. Hugging that inner thigh, pulling the back of the calf up, finding your inner strength here for a Warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3 modified. Exhale, coming back, woo-hoo-hoo, wiggle waggle, get a little wiggly with me, settle your body back in, shake it out in your hips. How's it feeling? Are you feeling like, okay, now let's do the opposite side? In yoga, we always do the postures on both side bodies to find that alignment in the body. So now, opposite side of the body is going to step forward, left foot, and now you're going to mirror me, and then right foot is at that 45-degree angle, hands on the hips that are your headlight, arms can come to cactus, they can reach long and strong above. Breathe in your strength by affirming, I am strong. Okay, transition, open up. This is a warrior 2. So all it is, ladies, is that long leg faces long edge of the mat, hips long and strong, arms reach out. This is a beautiful beginner's pose in this free flow class. Flowing with me. Exhale, hind arm reaches down, reverse peaceful high five hand sweeps over. Get that stretch in the side body with a beautiful breath. Comes freely in. Exhaling it out. Okay, now we're gonna step it out. We're gonna come into that Virabhadrasana 3, which is a warrior 3 modified. So you can use a prop or reach for the earth. Find your stance in your left foot and then just come off the earth like you're gonna fly forward. And when you're ready, hinge, let the arms reach forward, raise the back of the calf, activate through the inner thigh, finding strength in your body as you inhale, I am strong. Exhale, lovely, I am strong. Beautiful, sinking both feet down to the earth. Woo-hoo-hoo, meeting me with the feet wide open, 2 to 4 feet apart. This is a goddess squat. Knees pop out towards the edges of the mat. Exhale, hinge the heart. Hands reach on the calves. Exhale, left shoulder comes in towards the right knee here. A little open, squatted leg position. Inhale to center. Exhale, opposite body. Right shoulder reaches for the left knee here. Getting this lovely stretch. I love this. Is one of my favorite hip openers here in this free flow class for beginners. And now meeting me on your booty, however you need to get here. Grab a drink of water, hydrate, always stay hydrated, lovely. And coming onto your sit bones, however you need to, and lengthening your feet in front of you, and however this feels good for you to get on to your back. Take your time. And now reach for the insides of the hips to the ankles here. This is a modified happy baby hip opener as you just settle in, and now lengthen one leg long and the opposite leg long. Bringing hands to the low belly here for your Shavasana, your final pose of surrender, allowing a wave of relaxation to come through the top of the head to the eyes and jaw. And notice if you're holding tension in your jaw by tightening the jaw and relaxing with an exhale. Inhale, hold the breath in. Clench the jaw, exhale. Allow relaxation in your jaw to the throat, relaxing shoulders, relaxing spine and vertebrae, relaxing through belly and hips, allowing a wave of relaxation to stream through legs and toes. And now awakening, coming out of that relaxation. Stretch your body long like an arrow, toes point, arms point, and hugging your body in and meeting me on a side. Underarm is like a pillow for the head, top arm is a hug. And close your eyes and whisper to yourself, I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I love you. I love you. And whispering something that only you know you need to hear. Pausing here. Being with what is, my lovely. Breathing in a beautiful breath in. Exhaling it out. Giving yourself love and compassion in this moment. Exhale as you hold space for yourself by holding yourself. A self-care practice starts when you allow yourself permission to show up as you are. Kickstand that top arm and meet me in a seated position with the hands on your heart center. And just take a moment to honor and acknowledge that light that lives within you, giving yourself so much gratitude for showing up for this free flow, beautiful class for beginners. Taking a moment here to just feel what it feels like in your body, giving yourself permission to land fully in the present moment. Palms meet, kissing palms in a namaste mudra, giving that great gratitude for this beautiful practice. Gratitude for you showing up for you today with love and intention and focus, and that ability to open to being more free flowing within your life, lovely. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I love you. Beautifuls.